Well, alright, friends, subscribe to the No Strangers. What's up? Beard to Picker here on a retail arbitrage trek to the northeast. Well, all of a sudden, we saw. Do y'all have the ability to pass by Savers even if you're doing retail arbitrage for Amazon? Yeah, I don't. It looked nicer from the road, but now that you can see all the glass, the mirrors, it looks all dirty. We're going in anyway. Let's see what we can find. Jimmy Walker. You think that's Jimmy Walker from Good Times? Route 66. Look at all the detail. I'm probably gonna pick up one of that stuff and you are gonna go, oh my God, Barry, you should have bought that. Yeah. Home decor. Nothing here I see if I want to drag all the way back to Alabama. What do y'all think? Staples. Been to Staples. Okay. We should check. That might be good. Office supplies. I don't know whose office this is, but it's awful, whoever it is. Look at that. Team Bride. You have to buy them separate. You can't get them all together. Anybody need a LED headlamp? Pet supplies. I can't wait for my hummingbirds to come back.
This stuff is really cool. Now, if you get them,
Alright. Any Pyrex for Bonnie? Johnny, Pyrex. That did negative, folks. I didn't even get a basket. I had such confidence in this store. Pyrex, no. Fire King. Yes, I know the difference. I was just picking that up for y'all. That's weird. Never seen one of those before. Whatever it is. Alright. That's probably going to be the last one I see. Most of the time I check out the coffee makers. But right now I have 5 Space Maker coffee makers. I really don't need to buy any more coffee makers. Because as I'm verifying my inventory, I can't throw this away. Yarn. Alright, let's go look at electronics and toys. Maybe some shoes. Anybody know a lamp? Lamp. Whatever this is, Brock. It's almost always a waste of time to look at golf clubs. These things were made. These are older than me. And that's saying something. You have to be careful with tennis balls. I've had them returned because they lost their pressure. And these are not sealed. Alright. This is the fun place. If you know what cables you're looking for, you can sometimes pick up video game cables and chargers and stuff. If you know what you're looking for. Oops. My back hurts. I can't pick that up. Sorry there, Ross Savers. But if you're trying to put stuff together, like there's a Nintendo DS case. If it was $1.99, I'd buy it. $3.99. No. Light bulb. You can't make any money on light bulbs. Sometimes these are good. These are VHS rewinders for you young folks who don't know what a VHS tape is. It'll save the wear and tear on your, got one of those on your VCR. We're not looking at that. Sometimes these are good. Sometimes these are good. $3.99 is not a bad price. Ooh, food saver. Those are good. You guys have to look this up. I can't carry this all the way back to Alabama. One Sam Hill. This is one of those mystery items. You have to know what the hell it is for $10. Bread machine. Really, Sony sells, but I don't even think that sells. Anybody see the toys? Alright, let's look at hats on our way to toys. Titleist, nice hat. A couple golf hats, tailor-made. Mickey Mouse made. I think that's George Washington. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, somebody tell me what that is. Looks like George Washington. Damn right. They must have died since they were a life member. Okay, we found some shoes. You only get one of these. Folks, when they're this worn out, please throw them away. Sometimes it is okay to throw stuff away. Oh, how rude of me. This is Providence, Rhode Island, or Warwick. I think I'm in Warwick, Rhode Island. Also, if you know your toys, always check the bags, because I put a lot of figures and stuff in here. So if you can recognize the dinosaur figures and stuff, I know the Jurassic World or Park dinosaurs do well. I just don't know how to tell them that shark's out of water. Why are the dogs always naked? What do people do with the clothes before they donate them? I can't be the only one who thinks this kind of stuff. Holy hell. Y'all see that? I wonder if them two little boys did that. If they have these toys, they're extra played with. Sometimes you can find some new. Like that right there. That's a Star Wars Battlefield game. Let's see if it's worth. Let's see if it's worth any money. Ta-da! First we'll check Amazon. Big bucks, no whammy. This is Scott.zilke 2-bag inventory lab. It's got a million rank. They want $25 for it. If it's not good at Amazon, it's not going to be good on eBay. I can promise you. Oops. I thought that was going to be my new wig, but it's attached to that doll. Oh my God, what a disaster. Alright, this is a failed experiment here. Oh, let's go look in the cases. Rocket fish is good. And at least I'm not playing music, so I can edit this video on the road. Alright, we're in the case. $29 toy that's got a rubber band on it. An old Garmin for 29 bucks. A used phone for 29 bucks. 29 bucks seems to be their favorite number. All right, that might be worth something. I don't think it's worth 50 bucks. Nike, Merrill. Original. I don't know. It must be original hush. I don't know what those are. Hush puppies, or is that what they are? Alright, let's see if we can get it through the window. Scoutify 2. I get that question a lot. It scans better than the Amazon app. This phone's been having issues. The Verizon is way better. Okay, you lay there while we get the other one out. The struggle is real. This is why we have two phones. See, Verizon versus AT&T. Which one? All right, $45, and you can buy for $49. That'd be a fail. This is pitiful. Professional skincare. Right. Empty Coke bottles. Oh my God. I gotta go. Back to my regular schedule program. I'm glad you guys could come with me and see this, because I try to explain to people not every thrift store is the same. Not every Savers is the same. This one I would classify as what? Not BP approved. Not BP approved. Awful. Alright, glad y'all got to see me. See you in the next one. Appreciate each one of you for watching. If I missed something, put it in the comments, because all I did was walk through and kind of just skim and kind of show you what the one here in Providence is like. If I missed something, let me know. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. You guys are the best. Roll Tide. Yes, I've been sad watching the playoffs when we're not in it. I'm still in mourning. Huh. And did you see, I'm not an Ohio State fan, but did you see the officiating crew? That's the same one who got us with Auburn, Alabama. So, Ohio State fan, I feel your pain. Roll Tide.